Hello Tech Explorers, want to create a poll in Telegram? It's super easy and I'll show you how in just few steps. Let's go. First, open the Telegram app and select the group where you want to create the poll. Now, look at the left side of the chat box. You will see an icon there. Tap on it. A menu with different options will pop up. From the list, select Create Poll. Now type in your poll questions and add as many options as you like and adjust the settings to fit your needs. You can make it anonymous or even allow multiple answers. Once you are happy with it, tap Create and your poll will go live in the group. Have you ever used the Telegram poll before? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You have successfully created a poll in Telegram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.